Hey guys, it's me again, your tropa not Allen. Kumusta? I hope everyone is well. I hope everyone is having a good time. Because for today's video, I will reveal to you 5 decision-making factors before ako nagpakalbo. No, yung mga factors na pinag-isipan ko talaga before I went off full shaved head. So, if you're watching this video, please finish this. And I hope marami kayong matutunan sa video na to. So before that, I want you to see this. Yes sir, ganyan na po ako kakalbo. Because then and again, I stopped using minoxidil, I stopped doing my hair care routine, and for some reason, kung hindi nyo pa alam yung dahilan, just go back to my previous video. Doon, nireveal ko lahat kung bakit ko in-stop ang paggamit ng minoxidil. Alright, so let's jump in. Number 1 factor sa mga pinag-isipan ko talaga before going bald is acceptance. How the society will accept me. Why? Because having a hair is a sign of youthfulness. Let's be real. Whenever nakakakita ka ng kalbo, by default, naiisip mo talaga na medyo matured na, medyo may edad na. And with that thinking, it created some anxiety within me na, okay, I will look old, so technically, I will look unattractive. But you know what? The moment I went off full shave, hindi naman pala ganun. Yes, you will look matured, but if you know how to carry yourself, you will carry that youthful vibes. Number 2 or second factor sa mga pinag-isipan ko is yung maintenance. So, sa mga tropa na dyan, paki-comment naman below kung sino pa yung nagbi-minoxidil up until now. How was it? Kamusta yung experience? That experience of massaging your head and putting minoxidil on a daily basis. Kamusta? Paki-comment below because I wanted to know your insights. But, if hindi ka pa nagkaka-fatigue on doing that, please continue to do so. Especially kung may results kang nakikita. But on my personal account, I stopped using that or I stopped doing maintenance kasi it consumes my time, it consumes my energy, and my negative side effect yung minoxidil in my personal health. So I just decided to be free from doing this maintenance thing and just do or invest my time on the things that help me move the needle. Number 3 or third factor sa mga pinag-isipan ko is building confidence. Napagod na ako magpanggap, man. So sa mga tropa na dyan, yung buhok ko dati, I'm not sure kung parehas tayo, is parang aparador. Yung buhok ko ganito. Nag-cover up. And yung number 1 kalaban ko is hangin, electric fan, aircon, or kung nasa high-rise building ka, medyo mahangin yan dyan eh. So, whenever naihipan ng hangin, gumagan yung buhok ko, nako, nakakahiya. Tsaka ayoko mag-sombrero kasi mainit sa anit eh. So, isa yun sa mga dahilan kung bakit shinave ko na lang yung buhok ko and having that wishful thinking na sana bumagay. And here I am. I'm free from those anxiety and somehow yung confidence ko nag-build up naman talaga. Why? Because I invested in skills, I invested in physical fitness, I invested in development, personal development, and most and foremost, I established my spirituality in Jesus Christ, my Lord and my Savior. So shout out sa lahat ng mga Christians na nanonood dyan, no? Yes sir! Number 4 or fourth factor sa mga pinag-isipan ko is that feeling of being fresh. So sa mga tropa na dyan, no? Way back before, bihira lang ako magsombrero. So most of the time, I'm using hair concealers. And unfortunately, pawisin ako ng pagkatao eh. So once pinagpawisan yung anit ko, nagsismudge yung concealer, worst, sumasama siya sa pawis. And napaka-irritable sa pakiramdam. That's why I gave up. I just shave off my head para ma-set free na ako sa feeling na yun. Alright, before we jump into the last or the 5th factor, I want you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel para matulungan nyo na rin ako to build this small channel of mine. And please, kung ikaw isa sa mga tropa not ko and may mga friend ka din na napapanot na din and they have that anxiety or worriness in life, especially when it comes to their baldness, send this video to them. It might help them big time. Maraming salamat and let's go back. Heading to our last and 5th decision-making factor na pinag-isipan ko is I'm tired of running away and I really wanted to own myself. Now, naiintindihan ko yung mga ibang tropa nun dyan, no? I know, up until this very day, as you watch this video, nagdadalawang isip pa rin kayo na magpakalbo. Because of the thought na baka magiging unattractive na kayo, hindi na kayo magkakajowa, wala na kayong chance na magka-asawa or whatnot. But I tell you, that's not true. Again, I will stress this out, that our way of life, our value as a man, is not dependent on our hair. Yes, sir. It's not dependent on our hair. You are valuable. You can contribute to the society. You can be productive. Just don't allow your anxiety, don't allow your hair to control you. Don't allow it to overcome you. Thus, you must overcome it. And you must know that you are valuable in life. No, so sa mga tropa na dyan na nagdadalawang isip pa rin up until now, just go on with the process. But as you watch this video, I want you to contemplate to the 5 factors na shinare ko sa inyo because I personally went over it. No, so I hope marami kayong insights na natutunan sa video na to. And once again, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me build this small YouTube channel of mine. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Once again, this is your tropa nun, Allen, Davao City reppin'. Yes, sir!